How to log in to Grab account. Got your Grab account set up? Now let's log in so you can start using all the awesome features. Open the Grab app and tap login. You will be asked to enter your phone number. Make sure it's the same number you used during sign up. You will receive a 6-digit code via SMS. Enter it onto the app. If it's correct, you will be instantly logged into your account. If you previously used an email or social login, tap the small option below the phone field that says Other ways to log in and choose accordingly. Not receiving the code? Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or wait for a few seconds before tapping Resend. Do you want to book a rides or order foods from Grab? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.